What's going on today, guys? Primal Sabbath here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Beast Machine Scavenger review. Now, this guy is pretty easy to get a hold of. He's one of those like $5 to $7 figures, even though some of the Beast Machine stuff has gone up in price. Since a lot of folks, I think a lot of the older reviewers started taking a look at them. So, if you're interested in getting the Viacons and even army building them, at least this guy's pretty cheap. This is actually the first one that I finished army building. As I mentioned in the Spy Streak review, I subscribe to the three's the limit sort of army building mentality. So we've got two here, and the other one, he's in robot mode. But real quick, you can do this. You can pull back on this little lever here, and it will open up these jaws of death. These little guns here can move, and this is actually even on a series of hinges and a ball joint as well. So I guess if you wanted to kind of turn him around and have him facing this way with the little claws of death here, you can do that too. But I usually have one just kind of compressed like this, and the other one is up to be able to do all of that chomping. Other than that, he's got an interesting vehicle mode with the wheels and then the treads on the front. He's got little clear yellow wheels on the front of the treads. And I think the only bit of translucent plastic is this yellow piece right up in here. So not as much as some of the other toys, but I feel like the translucent stuff really worked best for the Maximals. Like the opaque plastics is better served for the Viacons, I think. But here is Scavenger in his robot mode. It's interesting, messing with these little legs. You kind of have to get these things just right to where they do act as a proper heel. I don't know if you can see that, but he'll stand, like once you kind of get him standing, he'll stand for the most part pretty well. You don't have to worry about any stability. The arms here, they're on little ball joints, but you don't get a whole lot out of them, which is unfortunate. Like, you get all the rotation stuff that you would, I guess, want and need, but other than that, that's pretty much it. I don't know if this waist turn. Okay, no, the waist does not turn, not from what I can tell. So you're kind of limited in how you display them. But as a robot, he looks pretty neat. I like how this little thing pops up right here on the top, and it becomes like his little sunken in head. I think that's kind of cool looking. And if you want to, you can position these forward just like they are in vehicle mode. But just for the sake of kind of chilling out, maxing, and relaxing, I got them just up like that. But very asymmetrical, which is not uncommon for Beast Wars or Beast Machines for that matter. So pretty cool there. And it does look like he's got some little silver like missile pod thing above his head. So he probably doesn't hear too good, all things considered, but pretty neat figure all around. Like I said, he was definitely the easiest for me to get 3 of, so that's kind of how I have him represented on my shelf with the others. So anyways, get him one more last shot, and that's pretty much it for Scavenger. Sort of underwhelming, but it's a fun figure just to kind of mess around with, especially if you've got multiples. You can get some battle scene stuff going, if that's what you choose to do. That's how you like to do things. But other than that, there's not much to it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment box, and I'll see you guys in the next review.